Assalamualaikum friends, how are you? I hope all of you will be healthy and healthy. Today is the video topic that how to earn money online with the investment social networks. So I will guide you the two methods where you can invest your money and can make a great profits with the social networks. First of all, please, if you are a new user, then subscribe our online earning 55 channel and click on bell icon to receive the latest notification of our new video. Let's start the video without wasting any time. Our first investment network is that you can invest your money on the different projects websites, like they pays you 10% of your total invested income per day, and you can withdraw it every day. And the second method is cryptocurrency. That is a very famous and popular and very great option for you to choose the cryptocurrency and get trading into it. If you have a knowledge and experience in cryptocurrency, then really you can earn huge profits per day without any risks. If you don't have a knowledge about cryptocurrency, what is the Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, etc., and then you can join the YouTube. There's many channels and they are teaching free of cost, and there are many academies on Facebook, on YouTube, where you can learn everything free of cost without giving any fee to any person. And if you can want to gain a knowledge, then you also have to work hard in the cryptocurrency and should understand about the coin, what is this coin and what is Bitcoin, how to buy, how to sell, and they will explain to you everything. And after learning, it's up on you, you how much can you earn per day. And there's a second choice I told you already, that is other social investment networks where you invest your money, but they only pays you per day 5 or 10% of your capital. But in the cryptocurrency you can make profit as much as you want if you have a great knowledge about Bitcoin and other coins. I hope you understand everything. Let's stop the video here. If you like this video, please share to your friends and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.